Good morning, everyone. So I thought I would bring this to everyone's attention. So we had put it out there a little while ago in a video, and of course, we've always done this. Just people don't know this. We do laser printer repair. Usually for laser printers, it is, component, you spend money on a laser printer. So it's actually most times worth fixing it. It really depends. Sometimes the fuse part of it, which is what melts the ink to the paper. Sometimes that component goes bad, and that's usually the most expensive part of the laser printer. And if that goes bad, it really, we'd have to look at the cost evaluation on that. Usually if that goes bad, buy another printer, but sometimes they're cheap. So, but we get flooded with calls with, can you fix my printer? And then they tell me what the printer is, and I tell them no. But then they complain that, but you fix printers. No, we fix laser printers. And I use this as a judgment all the time. If your ink cartridges are small, those are inkjet printers. We don't fix those. And the thing is with inkjets, and I've got a big one up on the shelf where someone had donated, and we use it for parts on occasion. If your inkjet printer was $300-400 and it died after 3 years, there's nothing I could do about it, because inkjet printers are designed to be used until they die, and you throw them away. Now let me show you what an inkjet is, and this is because people don't know. If your ink cartridge is this big, look how big that is. It fits in my hand. That is an inkjet cartridge. Inkjet printers we can't fix. Most of the time, because they're not designed to be fixable. We can tear it apart, we can put it back together, but the pieces and parts generally are not fixable. They're not designed to come apart. We can, but usually it's more damage than what is good. Laser printers are these big things. Now this one is for a brother, so this is kind of a smaller toner cartridge but look how big that is. That's my forearm, and that's the benchmark I use for people, and explaining what printers we fix. If your toner cartridge or your ink cartridge is as big as your forearm, those are the ones we fix, because those are usually worth fixing. Now, not always, because Brothers does have a cheap line of laser printers that are black and white only. That's all they do. It's just black and white prints. And this is one of those printers, by the way, for 99 bucks. And so when a $60 part goes bad on it, yeah, and we'll fix it if you want us to, but we would tell you, go buy another $99 printer. But yeah, if your ink cartridges are this big, we don't fix those printers, simply because it's not worth fixing them. Now, occasionally someone will drop off ink, because they got a different printer and they don't know what to do with the ink, and they bring it off here. So, I mean, if you need ink, you can always ask. And we may or may not have it in stock, because these get dropped off all the time. Some are used. As you can see, this is brand new, sealed in the package. Same with this. This was dropped off. So this is used. In fact, it's probably been up on the shelf for a while. It's probably no good anymore. We do have toners. We do carry a limited supply of toners for laser printers, usually for what our clients need. And it's something I have to keep, in regular supply for my clients. So if you have a laser printer and you want us to carry your toners for you, that way you have them more accessible, let us know. We'll put it in our inventory, so we always have some on the shelf for you. These guys, no. Best place, Walmart. Cheapest place, Amazon, if you don't mind waiting. But if you need it now, yeah, I don't know, maybe later on when I get this whole Dropbox thing going on and I got some other ideas for it, maybe we'll start throwing these in locations, but most of the time, no. These are what we sell. And it really depends on what you have, and if we need it, if we have it on hand, or if you tell us in advance what you're going to need, we'll start carrying it. For laser printers, just, holding inventory is expensive. If you've ever ran a business, that is true. So, but that's what I wanted to put out there. We don't fix these, we fix these. So if you have any questions, though, you can always call or text our number down here. Here it is. Just give us a call if you're in our service area. Certainly we can come to you, or you can bring it to us. Doesn't matter. Hopefully you found this useful. So please like and share the video across all the social media platforms. Subscribe if you can. There's our Facebook page if you need us. You guys have a great day. I will talk to you later.